Hi guys, it's Evan from surveyj Socials team. We have been getting lots of questions on how can we get more referrals. So in this video, we will show you some of the ways you can get lots of referrals easily. First thing that you want to do is go to our social media images section, and from there, save some of the promotional images to our mobile device. Now go back to dashboard and copy your referral link. Then open up Instagram and paste your referral link in your Instagram bio and in website section too. Now make a post using one of our promotional images. In caption, enter something like this: "Go sign up for surveyj. Get $40 just for signing up. Link in my bio," and post it. After this, also post promotional image on your Instagram story so more people join using your unique referral link. Most of our users gets lots of referrals from Instagram. You can also DM your referral links to as many users as you like. Another most effective way to get referrals is through Facebook. First, we will post one of our promotional images on Facebook profile saying something like this: "Making hundreds of dollars daily made possible now with surveyj. You get $40 just for signing up, and people are making tons of money." And paste your referral link here. You can say anything you want. Don't just copy these exact words. Be creative. We will also create a Facebook story using these promotional images. You can also DM people your unique referral link and encourage them to sign up using your link. Another great way is through Twitter. You can make a tweet using your referral link. Make sure you include your referral link in the tweet in order to get referrals added to your account. Every user has their own unique referral link, so double-check your link before you post it. As I mentioned earlier, you can say anything you want. Don't just copy these exact words. Be creative. We have also mentioned some tips and tricks to get more referrals in our invite section. Simply navigate to the invite section page and tap on the platform you want to learn tips and tricks about. We have covered most of the popular social media platforms there. These are some of many ways that you can get referrals. Be creative. Post your referral links in popular YouTube videos comments section. Share your link on Snapchat, on website forums, Facebook groups. Message your link to your friends, and much more. You get the idea. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial we made for you. See ya!